Best IPTV services for USA viewers. Are you tired of your favorite game buffering right when the action starts? Cable prices are through the roof, and you just want a service that actually works. Don't worry, you can fix your streaming experience right from home after watching this video. If you face any difficulty, please leave a comment below right now. I will reply within 1 hour. Please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more fixes. First, check your internet speed. You need at least 5 megabits per second for HD streaming. Always use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for the most stable stream possible. If your IPTV app feels slow, go into the settings and clear the system cache immediately. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart to refresh your device. In the USA, always use a reputable VPN to protect your privacy and bypass ISP throttling. Now let us look at the top 3 verified IPTV services for viewers in the USA. Our first top pick is Apollo Group TV. It offers thousands of high-definition channels. It is well known for its consistent reliability and excellent customer support team. Next, consider IPTV Trends. This service is a fantastic choice for dedicated sports fans. They provide 4K quality for most major sporting events and international channels. Finally, check out Voodoo Streams for its very simple and user-friendly interface. It works perfectly on Fire Stick and all Android devices with very easy installation steps. If your stream fails, check the account settings to ensure your subscription is still active. Update your IPTV app regularly to avoid security issues and enjoy the latest features. If you experience lag, try switching to a different server location within your app settings. To stay safe, only use verified links found on the official provider websites. If problems persist, restart your router to clear any local network congestion. Remember, a clean and updated setup is always a fast and reliable setup. Thanks for watching. You now have the tools to stream like a pro. Enjoy your setup.